If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a doll. It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Smokesy Poo!
Oh, googly bear!
When this human child throws me with its telepathic control, it made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. Then it grabbed its giant.
We gotta get you home.
There's a kid! A human kid! Sea monster in the sky!
Stop! Michael Wazowski! And on my birthday! I thought you cared about me!
Celia, try to understand.
Come on, this way.
We have a 2319 in progress. You got unit Johnson ready. Spread out and lock it down.
There's nothing down here.
All units, here's the girl we're looking for. All clear over here.
Why? We're nice! Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens!
Hurry up, Sully, hurry up. I've got both doors set up on the scale floor.
Done yet, Boo?
Race you to the scare floor. They'll never find her door now.
Look, Boo, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now.
It's been the most terrifying day of my life.
My Wazowski!
I love you, kiddo.
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep tight.